Wait.
What kind of truck are you using right now?
I'm using an excavator.
Is it a track or a wheeled excavator?
Wheeled.
Yeah, we like this one. This is a Caterpillar wheeled excavator. Now what do you have, Jack?
A bulldozer.
Oh, that's our big, mighty bulldozer, isn't it? Look at it go, kids. Is it making a path? Why is it dozing this hill, Jack?
We need all this asphalt.
Oh, there's asphalt down here?
Yeah, we're here.
Oh.
Asphalt.
Oh.
Pretending.
Alright, we're just pretending that this dirt is asphalt and that we're piling it up for the road.
I'm ripping it.
You're ripping? You're using the ripper? Show the kids the ripper. Wow, look at that thing. Look at the big teeth that rip into the dirt. I think there's another bulldozer coming. It's our small bulldozer.
We don't need that.
Oh, well, he just wants to help out a little bit. Look, he's got a big ripper too. He doesn't have the biggest blade, but he's got a pretty good ripper on him. Here comes the big, giant Caterpillar front loader. Show Mama and the kids how that works, Jack.
That does that, and this makes it go down, up and down.
Oh, wow. Kids, do you see that?
And if you do this, it makes it turn, okay?
Oh, because it's articulated.
I can turn it this way?
Yeah, and turn it each way you want to.
And then this lever makes it go up and down?
Yeah.
And then this lever makes the scoop go up and down? That's pretty awesome, huh? Okay, now what's Mama's job?
I'll pick up this pile and make it.
Okay, we're gonna pick up this pile, and what are we doing with it after we pick it up?
We're gonna make a road.
Uh-oh. Here comes the load. There it went, right out of the bucket.
He's coming home.
I think our dumper's almost full.
This is it. This is the asphalt return space.
That's the asphalt return space?
Yeah.
What'd you do, Jack? What did we do?
We fill up the dumper by using our machine. That's gonna be where the foundation's going. We just need to make it. We have to dig this. That is the small part, okay? Now I have to do the big job. Should I make my own pile?
Yeah, let's make our own pile, Jack.
And Ruby makes the sandcastle, okay?
Okay.
Well, we did a hard job.
Hey, Jackie, are there any tricks for getting the dirt out of the micro excavator shovel?
I want to show you how you get it.
Show.
Dump it.
You dump it.
Like this.
Oh, cute.
No, you have to dig over here.
Sorry. You're very particular about the digging.
You know why we're digging this hole?
Why?
So we can make the sandcastle that's for everybody.
The sandcastle is for everybody?
Yeah.
Who lives there?
Cinderella.
Oh.
So we have to dig this hole next to her, so we can make a bridge. Look at the sandcastle that I made.
Wow, look at that. What'd you make it out of?
I made it out of dirt.
Oh, that blue bucket.
So how about we make a bad piggy sandcastle?
We make a bad piggy sandcastle?
Yeah, so that we can destroy it.
Oh, okay. Is that like an Angry Birds type thing?
Yeah. But Cinderella's gonna watch, right?
Oh, here comes another excavator.
We don't need you.
Oh, sure we do. Look how that rotates, kids.
Yeah.
Here comes back.
We need him to help. But we need Mom to help.
Well, Mommy is gonna come and help us in a few minutes. Look at that, kids. It scoops.
You have to dig in our hole. We need help. We need you.
Here comes this excavator.
Your job is to dig out any rock, okay?
All right, I'm looking for rocks. I'm scraping at the edge.
For rocks.
Yep.
I'll make this hole longer. Princess is gonna be so happy, right?
What are you doing with the bulldozer, Jack?
I'm trying to scrape stuff out of the way.
Great idea.
So that some excavators can park
Oh.
for the next project tomorrow.
Oh, Ruth, this is quite a castle you have going. Look at that, kids. There we go.
After Cinderella's car, okay? Cinderella does have a character, and that's okay. Now you're done.
What's the backhoe doing, Jack?
It's supposed to rip up some gum.
Oh, I think it's getting rid of some of the plants.
Oh, I don't. That makes me feel guilty.
You're trying to loosen up the bumps to make it more easier roller.
Oh.
And those are some good scoops.
I'm making a parking garage for Cinderella.
Hey, Ruthie, what kind of animals pull Cinderella's carriage?
Horses. No, actually. Unicorns. Yeah, unicorns.
I think this is a better truck for the job.
Look, 2 trucks working, a bulldozer and a front end loader. Oh, look at that nice smooth trail.
That's for Cinderella's carriage to get its gas to go.
Do the unicorns that pull the carriage need gas?
No, that's where their food comes from.
Oh.
What do the unicorns eat, Jack?
They eat like the kind of food that dog eats.
Hey, Molly, would you share your food with unicorns?
Like this, Jack?
Good, you're doing it. I'm not gonna trust you.
Who's the family boss?
You.
Hey, I heard that.
Pick up all that dirt.
I'm trying. Can you bulldoze it into my shovel? Okay.
Now pick it up.
Oh.
Put down. This is what used to be like. Bulldozing. And then that's it, okay?
Okay, and then I think. Oh!
Oh.
Whoa, I jumped it!
Okay. Not good.
Oh. Okay, now I think we need to put our dumper onto our truck. And bring it to the castle for building.
Beep, 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 beep.
Let's put it over here. And then open that. So, Sammy.
Jack, what kind of truck is this?
It's called a stick steer.
A stick skier?
A skid steer.
Oh, a skid steer. How does it work?
Well, it's not like this.
Oh, okay. And what do we still have to do on our castle?
You have to smooth all the dirt on top of here.
Okay.
We're loading it into here. You're loading into it. If this castle was made out of rocks, it would just fall down, right?
I don't know. Maybe it'd be stronger.
Where does the last tower go?
It goes right over here.
Right there where your hands are?
Yeah.
Okay. We should probably make sure that the foundation's nice and well packed down. What do you think? Does that look good?
Yeah, that's good. Good.
Boomba.
Let's destroy the castle. Cinderella's gonna be mad.
Oh well, poor Cinderella. Smash it, Jack. All right, I think our work here is done.
Bye, kids. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.